come.
Huh?
Huh?
What's that?
Most time coming work. Pass the crowbar.
Brother, how long do you, man? Alright, so this is the first one. Two egress window, that's one. What's the next one? 36. Okay, so start it up. Okay, so all of my framing done. My electrician came through. Got our sub panel in. The bulkhead is framed. My pot lights are in already. Yeah. This is the rec area. So this is our office, mini office, our bedroom area. Those are my egress windows, 30 by 36. The lights are in. Yeah, bulkheads is done. Entrance to the mechanical room. Laundry here. And this is the washroom, just the way the customers want. Everybody's happy. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah. Okay, so drywall is up. All the way around. So look at more stuff. Done. Sharp padding. Okay, so most of my walls are now all painted. Tomorrow my pot lights will be in. Ceiling. Alright. Bedroom is in. Painted my egress windows. Let's see. Room painted. Okay, now so put in the dry pot.
I go by once.
Yeah, progress so far. Walls, I don't know, tile, grouted. You know, measurement for glass out my up. Okay, so my glass door is now installed. Slider. Okay, so at least prepping to do. Okay, so I want to change the look of the stairs. I want to change it from all gray to white rise and the black thread runs. This is the before. Stay tuned for the after. Okay, so final inspection is done. This is my basement now. Electrical, plumbing, everything is done. Fire alarm, everything is alright. My barn door. My stairs painted white and black. Egress window 1. Egress number 2. Closet. Mechanical room. Floor. Laundry room. Washroom. 18th of October 2022.